I am so fucking excited for this game. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna play the fucking demo. Oh god, I can already feel my PC's about to blow up.
September 30th.
Alright.
1998.
I'm gonna shut up now.
It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice.
Oh, Leon.
Training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
Oh, it's Cracker.
Set my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
No offense, Leon, but in the later games, you just get uglier and uglier. Okay. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident. An unprecedented biological I can't fuck. Just my English, caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. Search has brought him to an isolated island in Europe, where intel suggests that the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma cannot prepare him for the nightmare and the insanity he would find there. Oh shit! Actually, let me change some things in my settings. Okay. Is this where we're supposed to go? Here? I don't know, Leon. You tell me. I loved Resident Evil 4 before. I think Resident Evil 4 and 2 are the only games I really like. And 7 and 8. But the rest, my god, are they bad. Except for, like, you know, the original Resident Evil and... Well, you know, the OGs are good, but the later games, except for the last two, were kind of ass. Especially RE5, I think it was, or 6. Okay. Thanks.
Anyone home?
Oh, okay. Shut my door, why don't you? What is this? Place. Judgment is nigh. Nice. I don't see anything else. It's gonna go here. What? Okay. What about here? Oh no, es un hispano.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. You know a key?
Oh my god, you're Spanish. You're trying. No, shit. Yeah, you're in... I thought this took place in Spain. Never mind, I guess. Use. I swear the original. Oh, okay. Creepy, dark basement. Totally ready for this.
Hey.
Ew. Disgusting.
I read you. What's your situation?
He's probably gonna get burned alive. Alright, okay. Hey, it's green, yes. Okay. I need it to be that obvious. I'm a blind bitch. Okay. Shoot.
No
Oh shit.
fucking way.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god. Shit. Oh shit! No, did you just trap me? Oh my god. Alright, you know what? Jesus, how long does it take to kill you?
This just keeps getting worse.
Jesus Christ. I only have 2 bullets now. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm not going that way, I guess. Just gonna go this way. What is this? An herb. Nice. Here. Nothing. Here. Nothing. Okay. Jesus Christ, this mouse sensitivity is ridiculous. But I'm still not gonna play a controller. Who is that? Is that Ada? I can't fucking tell.
Bruce. This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Oh my god, Hunnigan! Yes! Oh my god, this is bringing back memories.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Hey, shut up.
The location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
They're dead. Oh, okay, please don't tell me I have to fight them.
Talk later.
I only have like 2 bullets.
I'll let myself out.
Classic Leon going through the window. Nice, he's not gonna chase after me. Head for the lake. Map updated. There's a map? Ooh, file. Cute charm. Oh! Oh, wow. This is just like, yeah, it's just like the original. Oh, but it has floors to it. Nice. You used to crouch, right? Yeah. Run, 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 run. So apparently in this game, and it's just a demo, I think it's all about crouching, if I'm not mistaken. You know, you gotta stealth your way out too. You can't always be running and gunning, apparently. So that's nice. I'm totally not prepared for that. fucking suck at running. I mean, sneaking. Oh, okay. Anything else? Okay. What? Where? What? Oh. Yes. There we go. Oh shit! I gotta run. I gotta run. I gotta run. Yeah. Oh shit. Jesus Christ, dude. Did you drop anything? I think he did, but I just didn't notice. If I remember correctly, like the last... Oh, god damn it. That's just bullshit right there. There should be... Yeah, I fucking knew it. There we go. All I get for that is a nugget. Nice. A grenade. I can switch it like this. Oh. Okay. Gotta reload though. I'm low-key trying to speedrun this, I'm not gonna lie. Because I don't think the demo even goes that far either way. I am expecting Chainsaw Man though. Because, you know, it's in the title. I wonder if you can kill him. Oh no. Pobrecito. Damn. That's too bad, my G. That is too bad. And now comes the shit show that it's about to happen. Okay. Go this way. Oh shit! Oh my god! Jesus Christ. Oh, he is awake. Get that paso. Oh shit! Ow. Okay, if I remember correctly, the shotgun should be here in this little house. Okay. Thank god I revisited playing RE4. Oh. Oh, would you look at that? It's Chainsaw Man. Okay. Okay. Oh, shotgun. Get that. Oh, is there another thing? Anything? Anything? Oh, yes. Oh my god. Bullets. Oh, Jesus. And it should be, yep, ladder. Okay, I'm kicking that. Oh, Jesus, I see that fucker. Ow! You're gonna kill your friends? Oh, Jesus. You know, I don't have that many bullets left. Jesus Christ. What's in here? Oh, nice. Fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus! Dude! Do me a favor and fuck off! Jesus! Fucking Christ! Tab? Can I combine? Yes. I accidentally tabbed. God fucking Christ. Okay, well, you know what? At least I know where everything is. Okay. That's fine. This is fine. Okay. Yep. Skip it, because, I mean, is it really necessary? Switch to my gun. Did you drop anything? Did you drop anything? Bitch, what the fuck? Maybe I can sneak this. What? You can do that? You... What? Okay. I did not know that. If I sneak my way through. Stealth it out. Yeah. Fuck. Can I sneak attack her? Is it possible? God damn it, no, I alerted them. Fuck! What the fuck? Drop something. Drop ammo, you bitch. Yes, I know you're behind me. You need to fucking shout it out. Woo! Juked! Oh my god. I'm the juke master. Nice. I got pesos. Hello? You have got to be kidding me. Fuck off. Okay, I'm gonna drag this out to see how many pistols I can get. Drop something! Jesus! Just drop gunpowder. I'd visit the other houses, but I feel like that'd be too much of a risk. Oh shit, you're running. He comes in. Okay. Okay. Not going to the house would trigger it, but never mind. Oh, that's. God damn it! Man, fuck off. Oh god, one of them just transformed. I can literally peer it. Nope. Jesus. I'm gonna go through the house. Yes. Ooh. No, baby. I don't want to go that way. Okay. Should be the house. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Can you even kill this bitch? Can you even kill him? I feel like you can't. But we'll try. Just skip it. Yep, it truly is, Leon. You have the best luck in the world. Run that, run that, run, 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 run. Oh my god. Get off. Jeez. Ooh, baby girl. You don't need to do that. My knife is about to wear out. Jesus! My knife broke. Oh my god, I keep forgetting. Craft. Use. Okay, it's time to run. This is really bad. What the fuck? No, there's a better way to go. Nope. Touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. Fuck, where's that guy? I wanna kill him. I wanna see if I can kill him. Where is he? Oh, one of them finally dropped it? That's nice. You're unlimited time? Oh, okay, that's nice, you know. Nice to... Here. I didn't even see the chainsaw guy though. I know Spanish and yet I did not understand what that guy said. Probably because it was too quiet. All I heard is powerful. That's all I understood. Subtitles, why are you failing me? Bitch, don't close it on me. Man, what the fuck?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
nice to see he has the same dialogue. Yep, I fucking knew it. It's all to the demo. $50 2,080 850 pesos. Nice. I'm not even gonna try to kill that guy. Chainsaw Man. I think that's enough. I don't want to know if I can kill him or not. I doubt you can, but check videos on it, I guess. That was a good demo though. I liked it.